Hey YouTube, AEB3945 here. I'm coming to you today with another unboxing. It's a shame it's not the Zack Ryder from the trade I'm doing. He sent it on Saturday, I think. It is a shame it's Wednesday now and it still hasn't arrived. I know it takes a couple weeks for stuff from overseas to arrive, but he's sending from the South Island in New Zealand, so it shouldn't take that long. Hopefully it turns up soon. So yeah, I've a couple figures that I ordered, so I'm interested to see which one this is. I'll see if I can open it. This tape wasn't on very well. I might not have to do much. Okay, I see what's in here now. Sorry, the camera view's not very well. Okay, I've got some air pockets, a receipt. I'm not sure if you can even see any of this. So, I'll just move the box out of the way. So I have the new WrestleMania 32 Undertaker. I don't know what I was even saying. But I don't have just one. I have two. And I got two because I want to keep one in the box, and I want to open one and then do a head swap with my basic Series 16 WrestleMania Heritage Undertaker one. That one's from WrestleMania 20/21. So yeah, that's pretty cool. I was excited when this figure was announced. Even though this is a straight repaint from the Elite Series 18, it's still cool. I'm glad that they were able to do a cloth jacket, unlike all the previous Undertakers that have plastic coats. So yeah, that was my unboxing video. Thank you for watching and subscribe.